Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have a pair of boots that belongs to none other than this guy. And personally, I didn't even think that. I was like, why are you reselling these things?
I've never resold a pair of my own shoes or boots. We've done thousands of y'all's boots and shoes. And have you ever resold a pair of yours?
You've made long time ago. Yes, I made pair, but I've resold a pair a long time ago.
So this is a pair of my Thursday boot captains. I've done a video on how to clean them and all that in the past. And I just thought the soles were getting a little worn and I wanted something with a little more traction. So I decided to upgrade the soles on those to something with a little more beef to it, a Vibram. And yeah, that's what we're going to do today. So let's head out to the shop and take care of it. So a lot of you guys ask us in the comment section what this smells like. It's not pleasant. It is cork mixed with like a glue substance. And yeah, when you heat this up, all it really is just sort of the smell like a burnt glue. So it's not like you just want to inhale it and it smells like a wonderful dessert. All right guys, so we went ahead and stuck the midsole onto the rubber soles, and now what I want to do is I'm just going to kind of clean this up, rough these up before we glue them and stick them onto the boot. So these boots have been resoled, and the last thing we're going to do is just take care of the uppers. Now, this is the rugged and resilient line from Thursday Boots, and I say that because we get a lot of questions from you guys emailed to us asking about how to care for your rugged and resilient line of Thursday Boots. I've already done a video on that. I'll put the link up below. I'll also put the link down in the description so you can check that video out. I go in step by step on how I care for these. But what we're going to do today, just brush them off. We're going to put a little bit of spray conditioner on there, and then just put some waterproofing spray, and that's really all you have to do to these. That's why they call it rugged and resilient. You don't have to do a lot to it. So let's get to it. Now you can just take a normal brush to brush off your leather. Nothing special. Okay, now the product that I'm about to use is, like I said, it's a conditioning spray that you can get with colored pigment in it. You do not have to use this on this type of boots. It's just a product that I like because it is a spray conditioner. Now, why am I talking about this right now? Because apparently I didn't mention this in the video that I posted before. And there's a lot of folks that have, well, not a lot, there's some of you that have ordered this product and you didn't pay attention to the fact that it comes in colors, and you have sprayed your black boots with brown, or you've sprayed your tan boots with black, and then you get really mad. It's not my fault. It comes in colors. So guys, if you're going to get a product like this, make sure you're getting the correct color for your boots. All right, ladies and gents, the boots are complete, and we're back in here. Before we show you the final results, as always, a couple of quick reminders. If you're not following us on Instagram, definitely check us out on Instagram. As always, we post a lot more. Well, we try to post several times a week on other shoes and boots we redo and everything else. So it's a lot more fun. Follow us over there. You'll get a lot more content. Also, if you're interested in buying any shoe care or boot care products, definitely check us out on our website, potterandsons.com. You know, that's where you can find a plethora of information. We are in the process of updating that website and bringing a lot more information to you guys, especially like the FAQ page, because you guys send us so many questions each week. It's hard to get back to you in email. So we went through, and Heath and I were like, what questions are you guys asking a lot? And we're just going to post the answers on there. So
head them off of the pass.
Exactly.
We'll just put them right out there.
Try to make it easy for you guys too. Yes. All right, Heath, what'd we do?
All right, so we got rid of the soles that I personally don't think had to be redone, but he, like I said, he wanted a little bit more traction on them. So we went with some Vibrams that have a tread inset into the, gosh, I can't even remember the Vibram. Y'all will recognize it. One of y'all will drop it in the comments below. I forget the actual model number of that sole. But it is flat, but up underneath the ball of the foot, inset into it, is like a lug tread.
I didn't want anything too crazy. I like the fact that the day-night type sole that Thursday had on there was a little flat, you know, like a dress shoe. So I didn't want anything like a Montagna, you know, that's beefy tread. I want something still comfortable. So I thought that was a nice balance.
Yeah, you're not going to be climbing a mountain in these things. So we put the heel block back on, so we did use a little bit of the stack leather since the top lift was also a Vibram lug top lift. It was a lot thicker. The sucker's like 1/2 inch thick, so we had to take part of the original heel block off to make it fit. Now that sole actually comes with a one-piece matching heel, whole heel, but Trent wanted a little bit of the leather in there.
Yeah, I mean, I still
They're
like
his
the
boots, so
yeah,
I'm not gonna argue.
I still like the original look of the Thursdays, and I still liked that leather piece, you know, the leather stack block on the heel. And yeah, you know, Heath was like, you know, that comes with a one piece, and I like the one piece if you're going all rugged, but I still wanted a little bit of that leather showing. So again,
Yeah, what color have we not done on the bottom? Probably in a long time, if ever, on a video.
I don't think we've ever done yellow.
I don't think we've ever done
And
yellow.
it matched the Vibram logo.
Yeah, so that's why we did
Decided to
the,
go with
yep,
yellow.
it looked good.
Yeah.
So uppers, as you can see in the video, pretty easy to take care of these rough and ready outsoles. So.
Yeah. All right, guys, that's it. Till next time, y'all have a good one.